Early season report is that things are growing, but they're just holding on. We've had these tremendous winds, these tremendous atmospheric rivers. You can see the fava beans are sprouting flowers. Tomatoes doing all right. We've got some tomatoes with some flowers on them. But I've got to get out here and really stake. The wind has been tough on them. The lettuce has done fantastic. We've picked a lot actually already. Some things have had trouble. Bay leaf, I can see. These poor things. Patty pan zucchini. I don't know what's happened to my chart, for Christ's sake. Excuse my language. I think the things that really like nitrogen in this growth source soil, like the lettuce, we picked up quite a bit of this already, have done real well. I've got to get some wind protection, some squirrel protection for some of this. These guys, they're starting to bind the pole beans. They're a little confused by the wind themselves. Tomato I threw in there. I don't know about the lemon cucumbers. I've got to get some string to stake these up. Here's a yellow zucchini. It's just not doing well. But anyway, another lemon cucumber. Tree. Apple tree's got a lot of apples on it. I can't find them right here. Here we go. Yeah, the apple tree's got a lot of little apples on it. This has been a disaster for the cherry tree. Every day I see these. I don't think there's going to be much of a crop left. Ones have held on, but it's going to be a disaster. This apple tree looks like it's doing just fine. Yeah. That's the garden report for, I think we're June 4th.